There is a belief that has discouraged millions of English learners for years. They think they must memorize difficult words before they can speak confidently. They keep filling notebooks with advanced vocabulary, hoping that one day they will suddenly become fluent. But that day rarely comes because fluency is not built on complicated words. It is built on words you can actually use every single day. Think about your own conversations. How often do you truly need long, impressive words? Most real conversations happen with simple language. People greet each other, ask questions, share ideas, express feelings, solve problems, and tell stories using common words that everyone understands. That is where real communication begins. Do not underestimate the power of simple words. A person who confidently uses everyday vocabulary can communicate far better than someone who knows thousands of difficult words but is afraid to speak. Confidence grows through use, not through memorization alone. Every sentence you speak, even if it is simple, strengthens your ability to think and respond naturally. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Every conversation brings you one step closer to fluency. Instead of asking yourself, what is the hardest word I should learn today? Ask, what is the most useful word I can use today? That small change in thinking will transform your learning journey. Progress is never measured by how many difficult words you know. It is measured by how comfortably you can express your thoughts with the words you already have. The moment you stop chasing perfection and start using simple English with confidence, your journey toward real fluency truly begins. Now imagine your entire day from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. You greet your family, ask simple questions, make plans, go to work or school, buy something from a shop, talk to a friend, or send a message. Almost every sentence you use during these moments is built from common English words. This is why learning the 1,000 most common words is so powerful. They are not random vocabulary collected from a dictionary. They are the words that appear again and again in everyday conversations, books, movies, news, and social media. The more familiar you become with them, the easier it becomes to understand others and express yourself naturally. Many learners believe they must know every word they hear before they can speak confidently. That belief creates unnecessary pressure. The truth is that the same useful words are repeated in thousands of different situations. When you master these words, you gain the ability to create hundreds of meaningful sentences. You begin to recognize patterns instead of memorizing endless lists. Gradually, conversations stop feeling confusing because the language becomes familiar. Do not rush to collect rare vocabulary while ignoring the words that carry most conversations. Build your foundation first. Every common word you truly understand becomes another tool you can use to share your ideas, ask for help, solve problems, and connect with people. Strong communication is not built by knowing the most words. It is built by using the right words with confidence. When these everyday words become part of your daily life, speaking English no longer feels like a challenge. It begins to feel natural. One of the biggest mistakes many English learners make is collecting long vocabulary lists without ever learning how those words are actually used. They spend hours memorizing meanings, but when someone asks a simple question, the words disappear from their mind. That happens because the brain remembers language much better when it is connected to real situations. A word becomes meaningful when you see it inside a sentence, hear it in a conversation, and use it while expressing your own thoughts. Instead of learning the word help by itself, learn it through sentences like, "Can you help me?" or "I want to help my friend." Instead of memorizing the word dream, use it in a sentence such as, "My dream is to speak English confidently." This simple habit teaches you not only the meaning of the word, but also how it naturally fits into everyday communication. Over time, your mind begins to recognize sentence patterns, making it easier to build new sentences without translating every word. Whenever you learn a new word, challenge yourself to create 2 or 3 simple sentences with it. Say them aloud. Write them in a notebook and repeat them during your day. The more personal those sentences are, the longer you will remember them. Language is not a collection of separate words. It is a living way of sharing ideas, emotions, and experiences. When you learn vocabulary through real sentences, every new word becomes a practical tool instead of a forgotten memory. That is the moment English starts becoming a language you truly use, not just a subject you study. Knowledge becomes powerful only when you use it. You may learn hundreds of common English words, but if they stay locked inside your notebook, they cannot transform your speaking. Words become part of your life only when they become part of your daily conversations and your daily thoughts. That is why you should not wait for the perfect opportunity to speak English. Create that opportunity yourself. Speak while you are walking, cooking, studying, or getting ready for the day. Describe what you see around you. Talk about your plans, your goals, or even the weather. It does not matter if no one is listening. What matters is that your mind is learning to think and respond in English. At first, your sentences may be short and simple, and that is completely enough. A single clear sentence spoken with confidence is more valuable than 10 complicated sentences you never use. Every time you choose English instead of your native language for a small thought, you strengthen a new habit. Slowly your brain stops translating every idea. Instead, it begins to produce English naturally and effortlessly. Do not be afraid of repeating the same common words every day. Repetition is not a sign that you are stuck. It is a sign that you are building a strong foundation. Every conversation, every thought, and every sentence makes those familiar words faster to recall and easier to use. One day, you will notice that you are speaking without searching for every word, because English has become part of the way you think. That is when real confidence begins to grow. Many people wait for the perfect day to begin speaking English. They promise themselves that they will practice after learning more grammar, after memorizing more vocabulary, or after becoming more confident. But confidence is not something that arrives before practice. It is something that grows because of practice. Every fluent speaker you admire reached that level by taking small, consistent steps, not by making one giant leap. The difference between someone who improves and someone who stays the same is often just a few minutes of daily effort. Imagine learning 5 useful words today and using them in simple sentences. Tomorrow, learn 5 more and review yesterday's words. By the end of a week, those words begin to feel familiar. After a month, they become part of your natural vocabulary. This steady progress may seem slow, but it is incredibly powerful because it lasts. Small actions repeated every day create results that occasional long study sessions cannot match. Never think that a short practice session is too little to matter. Reading 1 page, listening to a few minutes of English, speaking to yourself for 5 minutes, or writing a few simple sentences all move you forward. Every small effort teaches your brain that English is becoming a normal part of your daily routine. With time, those common words stop feeling like lessons and start becoming real conversations. You no longer search for every sentence because the language begins to flow naturally from habit. Keep showing up every day, and one small step will eventually become a journey that changes the way you speak forever. There will come a day when you realize something has quietly changed. You will answer a question without translating it in your mind. You will understand a conversation without feeling nervous. You will express your thoughts with simple words, yet your message will be clear and confident. That transformation does not happen because you suddenly learned thousands of new words. It happens because the most common English words have become part of your everyday life. They are no longer vocabulary you study, they are vocabulary you live. This is the real secret behind lasting fluency. Great speakers are not searching for difficult words every time they open their mouths. They have trained themselves to use familiar words naturally, quickly, and confidently. That ability is built through daily habits, not shortcuts. every sentence you speak, every page you read, every conversation you listen to, and every moment you choose to think in English strengthens those habits. Progress may be invisible from one day to the next, but over weeks and months it becomes impossible to ignore. So never underestimate the value of simple, consistent practice. Keep learning useful words, keep using them in real conversations, and keep believing that every small effort is moving you forward. Do not compare your journey with anyone else's, because your goal is not to become perfect overnight. Your goal is to become better than you were yesterday. When common English words become your daily habit, speaking stops feeling like a challenge and starts feeling like a natural part of who you are. And that is the moment your English changes forever.